In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose categories on Hacoo SaraMart app. So it's actually quite simple and straightforward. So once you are inside the app, you want to click at the down left where you have that home button, and then as you can see, you are redirected to this home kind of page over here. And then on this page, you first got the basic categories up top. So just below this search bar over here, as you can see, there are different categories, and I'm going through them right now. So we've got the For You, which is essentially your feed, and then you have your second-hand goods, and then fashion, beauty, you have home, and then you've got shoes. However, there's quite a little of those. As you can see, there's not many. So what you can do to find more categories is click on the search box up top, and over here, as you can see hot searches. Now, hot searches will usually be the hottest categories that are searched for right now on this page, okay? So if you can't see what you're looking for and if you want another category, you can simply look for it up top in the search bar. So let's say, for example, I would like to have, I don't know, let's say, I don't know, trousers, okay? So you want to type in trousers and then click on it. And as you can see, you've got your category opened up, and there's a bunch of different trousers in the category of trousers. So you'll only be seeing different trousers when you scroll down and up over here, or at least mostly, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how to choose categories on Hacoo SaraMart app. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.